It's school day again, man. After the happy part of the new year, here we are again. Going back to school 5 times a week. 5 times a week per church. Yeah. I really used to hate the concept, ideology of school system. I don't talk too much about this to anyone kasi a lot of people I know will disagree with me. But also, I really hate going to school. Like, what do you mean I need to go to school 5 times a week? Just to get pressured? And like sometimes hate the environment of school itself. People there. I mean, meron pa na namang good side ng school. It helps us socialize to improve our confidence, public speaking. Talking about our life, you know. But also sometimes the school, the environment of school are what corrupts students. Merong bully, verbal bullying, cyberbullying, physical bullying that causes students to get depressed, to drop out of school. I want to drop out of school so many times, pero we can't do that for now kasi we still don't have any stable source of income. But after this year, after I graduated, graduate kasi puro pag-stop. I will stop going to school just for a year and focus more on myself. Wala ng buhok ko. Pasok na sa room. Second subject done. It's almost 3 p.m. Gusto ko na umuwi. So we can hit push day later. Lee! TLE time. Mag-drawing ba tayo?
Yes.
Ayos, ayos.
Vloggers.
Hi, vloggers. Hi, vloggers. Picture sila. Lee, pogi ka? Ayos, ayos, ayos. Ayos, ayos. Aray. Maguli, walang daan, Lee. Vlog ka din? Vlog ka din? Vlog ka din? Vlog ka din? Pakita mo naman ako sa vlog mo.
Wait lang, babalik ka rin mo.
We're gonna go there, bro. We're gonna go there. Mali, kuha ka na juice mo, Lee. Ha? Juice. Idon. Idon. TL Idon.
Paulod, babasagin niya raw mukha ko.
Babanatan natin si Alfred.
Si Alfred.
Alfredo.
Ay, manood itong dalawa.
Ay tayo.
Betlog.
Betlog. We don't give a shit. Ba't kalbo ka na ulit? Para presko.
Sama mo si Lee, sama mo yung pinaka-pogi.
Asan na yung pinaka-pogi? Nawala.
Mapera kasi mga kalbo.
Kasi bugay na ko ikoy. Lala! Oh. Hi guys, it's dead. Let's dead. Hi na Berna. Paparazzi. What's up? Ganito lang ang buhay, enjoy lang. Ito lang ang pinakamasayang part ng high school eh. Kasama lang mga lalaki. Amen. Sino ka? Sabi mo dati gusto mo sumama sa vlog ko.
Kaya,
Sinasama na kita. Sabi mo diba? Gusto mo sumama sa video ko. Hindi pa ako nag-ano. Pero ngayon, hindi ka ba masaya? Kamusta New Year mo? Kamusta New Year mo? Ay, ba't naiya? Gaganon ka pa yan, oh. Naiya ka pa, gaganon ka pa yan, oh. Mama, madali eh.
Si Raven. Asan? Si Raven.
Ray, gusto ka natin gaano kahirap umuwi araw-araw. Di masaya pala ako sa nagano ka tayo. Hindi ka na nahihiya. Ang ano? Hindi, joke lang. Wala akong... Jollibee. Di ba tayo magka-Jollibee? Hindi ka sa vlog ko, pre. Ha? Ba? Oo, pre. Bo, saan hindi ka tawag dito?
Dalawa nga po.
Ayun.
Oo po.
Magkano na yung ganyan, kuya, ngayon? Magkano na yung ganyan? 5 pa. 10 pesos.
So na.
I'm with my friend, bro. Wala namang special ngayong araw. Kasama lang kami. Coincidence. Yeah. Man, nasa gitna tayo ng daan. Hindi ako makatakbo. Alam bakit? Hindi ka sumama ng karoon eh. Mag-isa lang ako ulit eh.
Magano rin din ako nun. Pag-gym din ako na.
Gusto lang ako tumakbo. Nung kawawa ako doon.